สวัสดีค่ะ Today I'm going to show you how to make butterfly pea flower drink. So we have a butterfly pea flower here. See, you can use fresh or dry, whatever you get. But from what I learned is in Europe and America you have dry. You see, I have a dry in the package here. So you need water. This is a 3 cups of water. We bring it to boil. Okay, water is boiling, right? 1 handful of flour, fresh or dry is the same. Yeah. Put it in. I use the dry one, so to show you. So more or less, yeah, of the flour, it will show how dark the juice will be. And when you boil them, light blue or dark blue, it depends how long you boil them and also how long you let the water sit in the water. This is gonna take a couple minutes to get the color out. See that? One more time, I would say boil them for about 2-3 minutes until you can see the color dark blue. It's been about 2-3 minutes now. I'll take it out. I rinse the flour out. You see the flour? I'll take the flour out. Or you can use a strainer, pour them in a strainer. But I'll show you quickly here so you can see very clear what's going on. Right. And now we're gonna add sugar in. I use coconut palm sugar, which comes from the sap of coconut flour, or if you don't have it, of course you can use liquor sugar, raw sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, whatever you have, for the sweetness. But I like the coconut palm sugar because it tastes nice. 1 spoon. 2 spoons, about a tablespoon. This is a spoon that you see in your kitchen, you have in the house on a table, so I call them tablespoon. And you dissolve the sugar just like when you make tea or coffee, that you add sugar in, just dissolve them. Just dissolve the sugar. Okay, now the sugar is dissolved. See, so ready. So now you got the tea, see, blue. Pour the tea, see the ice that you have prepared, the tea that you prepared, and you pour them in, see, nice and blue, beautiful. And then before you drink, squeeze the lime, sweet and sour, fresh, nice. And you see colors change. Butterfly pea flower drink tea. You see the color changing now from blue to purple? That's it.